when is the best time of year to prune cone-shaped boxwoods? Also, because I would like them to remain the size they are presently, not to get taller, not to get wider, how severely do I prune? Do these shrubs need fertilizing? If so, what kind, how much, and when? This is from Shannon right here in Memphis. All right, Mr. D, the best time of the year to prune boxwoods. Guess when that is?
It's not a fruit, so you got to go with that.
I go with it. I actually learned a little bit about boxwoods from Dale Skaggs, or at the Dixon Gallery and Gardens. He would tell you that the best time to prune those would be late winter.
Okay, just like fruit.
Just like fruit. See, there you go.
How about that? I could answer that.
Late winter. Selective thinning, though, because most people, what do they do with boxwoods? They shear them right over the top. They make the meatballs like Carol Reese says that she just does not like.
And wherever you make a cut is where you initiate growth.
That's where you initiate growth. So you need to go inside of the bush, cut it back to another branch, take it out that way. Selective thinning, okay? Now, as far as the fertilizing goes, what do you think we're going to say about fertilizing?
I'd say soil test.
Oh, man, you're good. We're going to soil test.
32 years, man. Soil test. Don't guess, soil test.
Don't guess, soil test. Yeah, so come by, the extension office, get a soil test kit, test that soil. We need to know the pH.
Better for it to be a little hungry than to be overfed.
Right. Boxwood, acid-loving shrub, right? So we need to know the pH, and then they're going to give you a recommendation, right? A fertilizer recommendation. So we just go from there. And the best time to fertilize is going to be in the fall, right? Because we want to stimulate root growth.
Okay.
Right? So best time to fertilize again in the fall.
But probably no nitrogen at that time.
Probably no nitrogen at that time. No, it's no nitrogen at that time, for sure. That's going to be later on in the spring.
Right.
Yeah. So get your soil test. It will tell you what you would need to put down. This is an acid
tell you when, where, and how much.
Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.